method of making a bracelet with a bead and 2 nylon cords. To start, you want to measure your cords by making sure that they will wrap around your wrist twice. And once you've done that, you can match up the ends and take your bead, and then you can thread both cords onto your bead. And then you want to make sure that your bead is in the centre of your cords. So match up the ends of your cords and then pull the bead to the centre. And then you want to take one of your cords and you want to tie a knot to hold the bead in place. So you don't want this knot to be too tight to the bead, so you want to have a little bit of slack in it. So you should have something that looks like this. And once you've done that, you can do the same thing at the other side. And if you find it easier, you can do one cord at a time rather than adding them both like I did. So again, just tie a knot at the end. And then just adjust it so that there's a little bit of slack in it. And you should have something that looks like this. And then going down to the end of your cords, just tie a knot in the end to keep these in place. And do this for both your cords. And once you've done that, you can trim and seal any excess. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this, and you can use your tail ends to tie on your bracelet. Alternately, you could add a sliding knot like this and make your bracelet adjustable.